Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be filming in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner for the week of October 8th to the 14th. We're going to be using this kit called Give Thanks from my shop. It is my Thanksgiving inspired kit. As you saw when I showed you the different stickers, I have already used a lot of them in my TN. I forgot to record the strip of me showing them before I put them in my TN. I know I did that another week and I'm very sorry. I'm really trying to get better at remembering to do that for you guys so you guys can see all the stickers that come in the kits. I usually get the ultimate kits for myself just because I like the glitter headers, but all my sheets in my shop come a la carte, so you can pick which sheets you like to use best for your planning style. So what I started doing first is I cut down that washi strip. It did have a plaid on top of the pumpkins, but I got this plaid Simply Gilded washi and I really love it, and I wanted to use that in place of the plaid sticker. So I cut that in half and then I put the 10mm Simply Gilded washi on top. Honestly, this is the reason why I haven't filmed this plan with me yet, is because I was waiting for this washi to come. And it finally came, and I am so excited to use it because there is a lot of black checkered plaid in this kit, and I really like it, so I wanted to incorporate that as much as possible. So now I'm going to go in and put all of my full boxes down. I'm putting them in my staggered order, which I always do. I also put the Give Thanks quote box in the top corner, and I'm just going to go and stagger my glitter headers as well. So I'm going to go do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have all of my full boxes and my glitter headers down, and I'm just putting in my date covers, and I'm using my date squares from my shop to mark the days that are in the week, and I'm just going to go in and put those date covers right on. I don't need to wipe them out because it is a pretty dark background, so it doesn't really show through. I also went in and put the flags that came in the kit. I like to put the flag behind the Sunday date cover. I just think that looks really good, so I always like to do that before I put the date cover on. And then I put one on the left-hand side as well. So moving on to my sidebar, I put some of that plaid Simply Gilded washi underneath the quote box there. I love this washi. It is so cute. It actually made me regret buying a lot of the other plaid colors that she came out with, so I went and grabbed another one because I loved it so much. Then I put in a half box from the kit to mark my highlight for the week, and some more of that Simply Gilded washi in that reddish maroon color. Then I'm taking a dinner's header from the kit along with this weekly sidebar sticker to mark my dinners for the week. And then I take a next week sticker and a 3-heart checklist that comes on the add-on sheet. And then at the very bottom, I put a piece of washi from the kit. And I know I'm always like so low, so you don't ever see this, so I tried to move it up after I finish doing this. There you go, so you can see it. Okay, so starting on Monday was Thanksgiving, so I took a half box from the kit, and I took the Canadian holidays sheet from my shop, and there is a Happy Thanksgiving sticker on there, so I put that right in the middle. And the kit did come with a bunch of deco on the add-on sheet, so I took a couple pieces to just kind of spruce up that box a little bit more. At the end of the spread, you'll notice that I don't use any more of that deco on there. I did go back and put some more at the top. I just totally forgot to film it. So if you look at the picture on the thumbnail for the video, you'll see that there are deco at the top there. So then I just took a skinny piece of Simply Gilded washi, and then I took an appointment label from the kit, and I layered that with a music note icon from my shop, and I used that to mark that my daughter had piano that morning. For the second half of the week, I took a computer icon and a work script sticker from my shop to mark that I did some printing and cutting that day. And then to mark that my sister came over for the day, I took a flag from the kit, and then I took a coffee icon. I really didn't know how to mark this, but I just used that to mark that my sister came over for the afternoon. And then I took some Simply Gilded washi and put it at the bottom because we went out for supper in the evening and I didn't want to put another half box down. I just felt like it looked too cluttered, so I took that Eat Out sticker and just kind of layered it over top of that washi. Now I just went in and filled in all the dinners that we ate for the week. I forgot to do this when I was doing my sidebar, so I just wanted to get that out of the way and do that. So moving on to Tuesday now. My kids had preschool on Tuesday, so I took a preschool sticker from my shop and to mark that. Sorry, I'm a little bit in front of my recording there. So then that morning I went and tried on glasses. You'll see my last plan with me that I did get my new glasses, but this is the day I tried them on, so I took a little glasses icon from the eye doctor sheet and wrote try on glasses. And then I took some more of that plaid Simply Gilded washi to separate those sections. If I don't have a lot of things that I do that day, then I use a lot of more washi than if I have a really big heavy day. So then I did a lot of printing and cutting again that day, so I took another laptop and a work script sticker to mark that. I took my daughter to the library that day, so I took a flag from the kit and I layered that with a book icon to mark that we went to the library. My daughter, she is 4, and we've just been starting to read her chapter books and stuff. So we found the series, what's it called? Magic Treehouse series, and I read those as a kid, so it was really fun to read those to her, and she's really enjoying the different stories. Then I took some of that pumpkin Simply Gilded washi to separate those sections. The last thing that I did that day is I took a half box and a shopping cart icon from the kit to mark that me and my sister went to Walmart in the evening. On to Wednesday, that was a day that I basically print and cut all day long. So I took a piece of Simply Gilded washi and I layered it vertical, and then I just cut it down so that it was the size of a full box. And then I layered that with a half box to show that I spent basically the whole day doing that one thing. And then inside the half box, I put a laptop and a work script sticker to mark that I print and cut all day. For the bottom half of the day, I didn't end up going to the grocery store, so I took a quarter box from the kit and I layered that with a grocery shopping sticker from my shop. I'm almost out of that sheet, so I'm going to have to print myself some more because they really come in handy. Then I put some more Simply Gilded washi down. Again, I'm loving that plaid, so I'm using it as much as I can. And the last thing I did that day was my friend came over and we did puzzles in the evening. So I took a flag from the kit and I just wrote down that I puzzled with Ashley. So moving on to Thursday, my kids had preschool again, so I took another preschool sticker from my shop and just put it at the top there like I usually do. Then I did a lot of designing this day, so I took a half box from the kit, and then I took one of these little guys on a laptop from Miso Co. I really like marking them for designing, and I like how neutral the colors are. They go with pretty much every spread, so I used that. And then I did some printing and cutting, so I used another laptop and a work script sticker. For the second half of the day, I did a lot of YouTube with designing and printing and cutting. I always watch YouTube while I do these things, so I took a TV icon and to mark that I watched YouTube. Then I took a quarter box, and a car icon to mark that I went and bought my wine ticket. For the next day, we went to a wine festival, and then I took another piece of Simply Gilded washi to fill in that extra space. So then on Friday, it was my sister-in-law's birthday, so I took a half box from the kit, and I took the balloons that came in the kit as well as a happy birthday script sticker from my shop to mark that it was her birthday. Then that day, me and my mom went to the city to a Scattered Seeds craft sale. So I took a flag from the kit and I layered that with a car icon. And I used that to mark that we went to the Scattered Seeds craft sale. It was so intense, you guys. Like you can't even walk without like people bumping into you. It was insane. So we didn't stay too long because my kids kind of felt very overwhelmed. So for lunch that day we went to Montana's, so I took some arrows from the kit and I wrote down that we went to Montana's. And then we ended up buying the kids' Halloween costumes, so I took a quarter box and I layered that with a Buy Halloween costume sticker. That's for my fall bucket list. And then in the evening I went to the wine tasting, so I took this sticker from my shop. It says Wine Time. And then I took the leftover bottom washi, the plaid, and I layered that for that section to mark that. I love how that turned out. So for Saturday, I go for breakfast with my parents every Saturday, so I used some arrows to mark that. Looking back now, I realize I have 2 arrows back to back. I don't really like how that looks, but I'm going to leave it because I didn't know what to do else with that. So then I worked on websites that day, so I took a laptop sticker to mark that. I took a glitter flag from the kit and like a cleaning bucket from the kit to mark that I cleaned the house that day. And then to separate the websites and the cleaning, I just took a piece of skinny washi that came in the kit. For the bottom half, I did a lot of laundry this day, so on my cleaning sheet, I took a laundry basket to mark that I did a lot of laundry. And then I took a half box from the kit. I played games with some friends that evening, so I took a games night sticker and I layered that to put at the bottom. And then to fill in that space, I took a piece of washi from the kit. Moving on to Sunday, the first thing we did was go to church. So I took a church sticker from my shop in the red color. And then I put some Simply Gilded washi down to separate that because I didn't have a whole lot of to-dos that day. And again, I just really like that color, so I just really wanted to use it. I ended up editing a video that day, so I took a TV icon from my shop to mark that I edited my video. For the second half, I ended up taking a long nap that day, so I took a piece of washi from the kit and I layered that with a Green Darner Designs little guy sleeping. I think he's so cute, just laying there having a nap. That was totally me. So then in the evening we went to my husband's work barbecue. So I took a half box from the kit, and then I had a little sampler sheet from, I'm gonna butcher this name, Sabai Co. And there's a little guy just barbecuing, and he's so cute. So I used that to mark the barbecue. And then I filled that last little space with some washi from the kit. So the last thing I do is fill in my highlight for the week, and I'm using a sticker from Busy Lizzie Plants to mark it by the Halloween kids' costumes. So this is the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions you have down below. And please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!